get things over to Weather First meteorologist Grayson Freund. Over the past, week now, we've had all different types of temperatures, from warm-ups to cool-downs.
And all the seasons.
Everything. Now you got some rain in the forecast.
Yeah, so it has been a pretty quiet last few days around here. Also warm, too. Just a few days ago, we had temperatures in the 60s and the 70s. Yesterday, we were in the 50s, and we're still in the 50s today, and we are dry right now, but we do have some rain in the forecast later today, and also some additional chances as we head towards the end of the work week. So starting with right now, we are under a partly cloudy sky. It looks like the radar is trying to show a little bit of some light rain that is starting to develop and move into the area, but really not much is coming of this, and so I do think that we'll hold off and stay dry here until we get towards the later half of our day today. Temperatures right now are starting off in the 40s and the 50s. Our cooler spot is up in Decorah right now at 41 degrees, 48 currently in Olwine, New Hampton. Same thing here in Cedar Rapids, and already 52 degrees down in Washington. So our normal high today sits right around 45. So really all of us are already above that. We have winds right now coming in out of the east-southeast around 10 to 15 miles per hour. So a little bit of a breeze out there, and it's honestly feeling pretty nice. But as we head throughout this afternoon, we will have cloud cover continuing to build in. So our partly cloudy sky does turn mostly cloudy here over the next few hours. Temperatures top out around 50 degrees, and then by late this afternoon into this evening, that is when the rain chances are going to start to ramp up here. So here around 5-6 o'clock, I think that's when the rain is going to start to move in, and then we'll be dealing with scattered showers as we head throughout the overnight hours. We could even have a few thunderstorms that develop as well overnight, and there's also a chance that we could see a few snowflakes develop as well, but I do think that the higher chance for that is going to be along the Iowa-Minnesota border. You can see just there at the top of your screen a little bit of that blue. So really no weather impacts there for us here in eastern Iowa at least. Then we'll be dealing with some lingering rain showers early Tuesday morning, then starting to dry things out towards the middle of the day, but the clouds are going to remain overhead, so it's going to be a mostly cloudy day. Temperatures top out in the upper 40s, and then Wednesday is going to be very similar, mostly cloudy with highs in the 40s once again. The sunshine does return though as we head into Thursday. We'll have a warm front starting to lift across the area that will turn our wind direction back out of the south, so temperatures are going to rise into the middle 50s. And then we've been talking the last few days about another storm system that was set to impact us towards the end of the work week. It does look like now that this is going to be trending a little bit further south of the state. We'll also have high pressure overhead to the north, so that's kind of going to help keep all that activity further to the south. There is a chance that we could see a little bit of rain towards Friday evening into Friday night, but I do think that the overall story here is that we could potentially just miss all of this and stay dry as we head towards the end of the week, but still hanging on to that very low rain chance. In the meantime, though, we've got temperatures around 50 degrees today, watching for rain tonight into early tomorrow. Cloudy day for the rest of the day on Tuesday into Wednesday. Temperatures are down into the 40s, then middle 50s on Thursday, mostly sunny with a chance for rain coming by Friday.